This effort that we're going to talk about today has resulted in convicting and sentencing more than 24 gang members in the Pueblo area. Criminals in this enterprise engaged in narcotics trafficking, acts of violence including murder and assault, which threatened the safety of this community.